Today I am reviewing the KTC 27-inch dual-mode mini LED monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The KTC 27-inch dual-mode mini LED monitor is a game-changer for gamers, professionals, and content creators alike, offering an unmatched combination of speed, clarity, and versatility. Right from the start, this monitor grabs your attention with its dual-mode display, allowing you to switch between 4K UHD at 160Hz for incredibly sharp visuals and 1080p FHD at 320Hz for lightning-fast, smooth gameplay. This makes it perfect whether you're gaming, streaming movies, or working on creative projects. You get the best of both worlds: immersive ultra-high resolution and extreme refresh rates for competitive gaming. At the heart of this monitor is a fast IPS mini LED panel, equipped with 1,152 independent dimming zones. This provides exceptional brightness, contrast, and precision control over every image on the screen. Paired with HDR1400 support, 145% sRGB color coverage, and over 1 billion colors, the visuals are nothing short of spectacular. From deep, detailed shadows to vibrant highlights, the picture quality is incredibly lifelike, making movies pop, games feel immersive, and your workflow more productive. The monitor's high contrast ratio and anti-flicker technology also make it easier on the eyes during long hours of use, ensuring comfort without compromising performance. Gaming performance is where this monitor truly shines. With adaptive sync technology, fully compatible with FreeSync and G-Sync, it guarantees smooth, tear-free gameplay even in the most demanding scenarios. The 320Hz refresh rate in full HD mode ensures that every motion appears fluid, and the 1 millisecond MPRT response time virtually eliminates ghosting and blur. Competitive gamers will especially appreciate the ultra-fast responsiveness for first-person shooters, racing games, or any title that demands precision. On the other hand, the 4K 160Hz mode provides a cinematic experience with crystal-clear visuals for RPGs, strategy games, or high-quality video playback. Beyond visuals and gaming, the KTC 27-inch monitor is designed for modern connectivity and convenience. It includes HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and a 65W full-function Type-C port, allowing you to connect multiple devices easily, from laptops and desktops to consoles and peripherals. The monitor also features height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments, along with VESA 100 by 100mm mounting compatibility, giving you flexibility to set it up perfectly for your desk or wall. Whether you want a clean, minimalist gaming setup, a multi-monitor productivity station, or an ergonomic workspace, this monitor adapts to your needs. The monitor also incorporates thoughtful features for real-world use. Its TUV-certified low blue light technology reduces eye strain, while the metal stand provides stable support and a premium look. KTC backs this monitor with a 3-year warranty and responsive customer support, giving you complete peace of mind and ensuring your investment is protected. This makes it a reliable, long-term companion for both gaming and professional use. In summary, the KTC 27-inch dual-mode mini LED monitor offers an extraordinary combination of performance, versatility, and visual fidelity. Its dual-mode capability, HDR1400 support, high refresh rates, and adaptive sync technology create the ultimate gaming and entertainment experience. Add to that the ergonomic adjustability, multiple connectivity options, and durable design, and you have a monitor that is ideal for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. If you're looking to elevate your setup and enjoy stunning visuals with smooth, responsive performance, this KTC monitor is undoubtedly one of the best choices available in its class. It's not just a monitor. It's a complete visual experience, ready to transform the way you game, work, and play.